Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to crop an image in DaVinci Resolve. There are a few ways how you can do this. So first method would be to use this tool, which is crop right there. You have to be on the edit page just to make sure. When you click on crop, you can do this from the corner. You can use this point or this point and basically do anything with it. This is one way. Another way would be to click on the video itself and choose a cropping option. So this one. And right there, you can just use these arrows, these buttons and scales to scale up the video. And for example, if we scale it something like that, you can also use the softness like that, as you can see. Now to go back, just click this option. And now another way would be to just use this transform button. And like that. Now I can just basically move this like so. And as you can see, these are changing. So for example, let's leave it like that. Now, as you can see, the image is cropped, but it doesn't fit into the frame. So to fit it into the frame, you would need to click on transform, and now you need to drag it to the corners. And to fit in the ratio, for example, to change the ratio of this image, you would need to go ahead to the settings at the bottom right corner, and here you can change the resolution if you want to, and it will change to the size that you want. So just make sure to know which one fits your wanted aspect ratio. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.